Embark on an Epicurean escapade with us as we unlock the treasures of culinary heritage in our latest travel odyssey. Flavors of tradition. This immersive journey goes beyond the ordinary, delving into the rich tapestry of global gastronomy to uncover the stories and traditions woven into each delectable dish. Join us in this tantalizing exploration where centuries-old recipes meet modern palates and where the essence of culture is savored one bite at a time. From bustling street markets to quaint family-owned eateries, our quest is to bring you the most authentic and time-honored culinary experiences. So fasten your seatbelts, set your taste buds on high alert, and let's delve into the intricate world of flavors that define the very soul of our destinations. Get ready for a mouth-watering adventure like no other. But before starting the video, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's get started. Number 1. Hot dogs in New York City. One thing visitors to New York should not miss is the opportunity to try their world-famous hot dogs. Whether you buy a hot dog from one of the many vending carts that can be seen on many corners in New York, or you go to one of the delis or restaurants, hot dog lovers will not be disappointed. These hot dogs are usually sold with mustard, peppers, or onions in a sweet tomato sauce or sauerkraut. You won't see ketchup on these hot dogs. Number 2. Pad Thai in Bangkok. Bangkok foodies can enjoy Pad Thai, which is fried rice noodles mixed with egg, fish sauce, chili pepper juice, tamarind juice, and a mix of bean sprouts, chicken, shrimp, tofu, or hot dogs. You can also get seasonings like peanuts, garlic, tomatoes, chives, pickled turnips, limes, cilantro, chili powder, vinegar, sugar, or fish sauce. Head to the back streets of the backpacker district of Banglanfu, and especially Khao San Road, where you can enjoy authentic Pad Thai for around $1. Number 3. Meet Vindaloo and Go. Vindaloo is an authentic Goan dish that was introduced during the Portuguese rule. Today, Vindaloo meat is a popular spicy curry. It is usually made with pork or other meat, and then wine and garlic are added. Real authentic local Vindaloo is different and is sweeter and marinated in ginger, vinegar, sugar, and other spices. It is interesting to note that in the UK, a meat curry from an Indian restaurant or takeaway is almost certainly made from mutton. Number 4. Fish and chips in London. The ubiquitous fish and chip dish remains a popular dish in the UK, traditionally served wrapped in newspaper. It's battered and fried white fish that comes with fries, much like fries, except much fattier and juicier. It's a very tasty on-the-go treat that can be bought from restaurants and street vendors in London and beyond. You can also get mushy peas or tartar sauce as a side dish, and miniature wooden forks are an alternative. Fingers come first. Number 5. Snails in Paris. The curious dish of snails, or snails, is considered a delicacy in Paris. They are served cooked in butter and still in their shells. You get a pair of special pliers to get them out of the shell. Be brave next time you visit Paris and try some snails. They might become one of your favorites, at least until you stumble upon a piece of crumb. And no, they don't taste like slime. They are actually more meaty. Number 6. Game meats in South Africa. African food is becoming really popular in restaurants around the world. And for those who like a traditional meat and vegetable dish, venison is the perfect next step. Meat such as kudu, ostrich, zebra, and springbok are available. And South Africans are famous for their braai, which is a local barbecue, and the word literally means roasted meat. Number 7. Barbecue in Sydney. The Barbie is synonymous with Sydney and indeed all of Australia. There are several kinds of barbecue. One popular one is called churrasco, and the meat is slow cooked over a spit and using hot coals with several types of sauce, as well as several types of meat, to include beef, chicken, lamb, seafood, pork, and sausage. Number 8. Paella in Valencia, Spain. Traditional paella is rice cooked in a large flat pan along with various vegetables, meat, and a rich sauce often containing saffron. The content of paella varies in each Spanish region, although there are three main types: seafood, Valencian, and mixed. Valencian is made with white rice, vegetables, beans, meat, and spices. Mixed is made from several types of meat, vegetables, beans, and seafood. And the cipatella is made with different seafood, vegetables, and rice. Most of the rice is bomba rice, and this dish has saffron and olive oil in it. Number 9. Tortillas and tacos in Mexico. Traditional tacos can have different types of meat, vegetables, and cheese inside a taco shell made of corn or flour. Throughout Mexico, tacos are mixed with tomatoes, avocado, salsa, onions, lettuce, or guacamole. A tortilla is a type of thin flatbread made from flour or corn and used to eat with meat or vegetables and ingredients to make burritos, tacos, or enchiladas. Number 10. Dim sum in Hong Kong. Traditionally served as breakfast, dim sum are bites served in individual portions inside steam baskets or plates. Visit local restaurants in central Kowloon where there are no English menus, just show to order, and where you can watch the older generation enjoy a breakfast of chicken feet washed down with copious amounts of tea. For a more tourist-friendly experience, there are plenty of restaurants that serve dim sum for lunch. Maxim's Palace in the Central District is a favorite, which has a fantastic view of Victoria Harbour, and dim sum is transported at breakneck speed on traditional trolleys and served by grumpy waitresses. As our flavorful expedition comes to a close, we hope you've enjoyed this mouth-watering exploration of the flavors of tradition. From spicy street food to rich, decadent desserts, these authentic culinary experiences have given us a taste of the diverse cultures that make our world so extraordinary. If you've discovered a new favorite dish or feel inspired to embark on your own gastronomic adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delectable journeys ahead. Until next time, happy tasting, and may your travels be as satisfying as the meals we shared.